Hello, welcome back to my channel, my Diamond Squad. What's up? How are y'all doing? Let's go ahead and get into it. Well, tonight I will be talking to you guys about a job that a company that is called Time Out Communities, and the job role for this company is to be a scheduler, and the monthly pay is $1,000 to $5,000 per month. It does not say it's bi-weekly or paid weekly, semi-monthly. I don't know that, but you look into this company and it's highlighted right here. You can click on it. Maybe they might give you guys the tea on that. But let me go ahead and get into this. Is a part-time job position, you guys, part-time career, and the qualifications are work authorization required, and that's all for this job. Now, the full job description is about this company. Time Out Communities is a housing development company that specializes in affordable housing in rural communities across North Carolina and Illinois. Our goal is to develop new or acquiring and revitalize existing manufactured homes communities to provide a clean, safe, and affordable housing option to the blue-collar workers that are the backbone of the regions in which we operate. About this role as being the scheduler, our scheduling assistant role is an essential part of our sales team. In your day-to-day, your primary focus will be to schedule appointments for potential tenants to view our homes. We are looking for self-starters who can stay on task and get the job done in this fully remote position. 100% remote, you guys. Yes. Compensation is based on appointments booked with the opportunity to make $5,000 plus a month. Wow, can't beat that. The position is part-time, and we are currently looking for evening and weekend workers. The job requirements for this job is you must be able to type 35 words per minute, comfortable with speaking on the phone, strong multitasking abilities, comfortable on the computer, and learning new software. Once again, the pay will be $1,000 to $5,000 per month, and you will have a 4-hour schedule shift for this job position, being part-time. Being a part-time employee for this company, Time Out Communities. It's based out in Cedar Park, Texas. It's a remote position, and you don't have to live within Texas. I'm giving because I'm reading through this paragraph and I will see that you have to be a resident. It says the Time Out Communities is a housing development company that specializes in affordable housing in rural communities across North Carolina and Illinois. So they are looking for schedulers to help someone get them assisted with housing. Okay, now they're hiring for 3 candidates for this role, and it's a priority hiring, so they are still hiring, you guys. There's a clock right there. They're still hiring. Posted 20 days ago, 2 weeks and a half ago, and they're still hiring. So if you can, like and subscribe and comment down below and share this with someone who you may think that is a great fit for this job, has a bubbly personality, has a focused personality. If you don't want this position, you can share it on to the next person, and that'd be great. But if you love this position, go ahead and apply. I encourage you to apply, and I want you to keep shining, keep going. Don't let nobody deter you of your goals. Stay focused, keep it forward. Let's keep going. And I will see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on that notification bell. See you later. Bye.